Today I'm going to do a review on my new wig from UniWigs. Her name is Zoe. She's a 100% Remy human hair wig. She is sandy blonde. She has 4-inch bangs. She is 15.5 length. And then if you flip her over, she has the really soft ear tabs right here. There's one on that side. And then one on this side. And then on the back here, you can see the little adjustable tabs, which are really nice. She is hand-tied, and then there is the lace right here. And then my favorite part about her is this right here, the no slip grip. So it makes it so she doesn't slide, and you also don't have to glue her on. Another thing I really love is the roots. It gives that kind of shadow, but also like the natural root. So let me put my cap on and then we'll put her on. You can see from the side, back. She is human hair, so I do want to curl her and kind of play around with her and see what it looks like with the bangs curled. But you can do like the messy in the front, but then you can also brush them and kind of swoop them to the side, which is also pretty cute. And she's really comfortable and lightweight. She's 120% density. So she's not heavy at all, which I love. Another thing I really love about this one is you could use the little clips to kind of clip it to your natural hair. And you can still wear it in a bun or a ponytail. And since losing my hair, that's one thing I miss, is being able to do like a top knot bun or a lazy ponytail, just put it up and go. So this wig really allows me to do that, which I love.